I really appreciate this great initiative. I'm very happy to know that such a distinguished historian, scholar, photographer, and most importantly, not just a historian knowing history, but a custodian of history, Mr. Bahl will be speaking to all of us. And really looking forward to his continuing his interest into working on such important issues. We always wonder where culture resides. We always often talk about culture. We talk about the heritage of that we all have through culture. But where does it reside? Where does it manifest? Culture manifests in many ways. It has many forms. But some of these, we keep talking about taking it forward, the heritage being moved into the new generations. If you don't know what our ancestors were, how they were so developed intellectually, culturally, socially, they had such a great abilities for art, been so well. If you don't know that, how can we say that I will take that culture forward? How can we know our own people whom we now represent, we are now their successors, without knowing their own creation? How do you know them? I cannot know anybody who lived 5,000 years ago, but I can know him through his work. I can know his ability through his own paintings, drawings. And to know that, you must preserve it. You must keep it alive. That is exactly what our great friend, one of the great sons of India, Bahl Sahib, is doing. I really wish to congratulate him for doing a work in this particular way as a mission without any expectation and with a zeal that is so rare to find in these particular days of everybody thinking of doing something with the purpose of getting something in return. Whereas he's only returning us to our own history, our own culture, our own traditions, and providing us peep into that, knowledge of that, which will make all of us proud. And more importantly, whenever we lose link with history, with our own culture, our ability to progress diminishes. We are very, very fortunate as Indians that we have such a rich cultural heritage. But if I don't see it, how do I know what a cultural heritage was? Somebody tells me, I will keep repeating it. When I see it for myself, but when you go to such historical site, cultural heritage sites, you feel so proud. When you go to Ajanta Ellora, you wonder how it must have happened. One single stone could create such a marvel. How is it possible? What kind of people they must be? How they depicted their own thoughts and expressed them through this process of painting. They worshipped the deity, which was reflected in these paintings and sculptures and many others. I'm really therefore very proud that Bahl Sahib is taking it forward. Bahl जी की ये पहल को मैं बहुत बहुत आदरणीय भावना व्यक्त करके उनको बहुत ही अच्छा काम करने के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं. And I'm very happy that my friends who are trying to do this and trying to take it forward. Must congratulate Ashwin Srivastava and many others for CEPIOs and who are doing this great job of helping to take it forward. I remember as the Chancellor of Vishu University, we had partnered to preserve something as precious as this in faraway place, Norway, that will be used for eternity. It will never be lost anymore, as we have lost so many of our cultural heritage. Much of it we have lost. But what remains now will remain permanent, and thanks to efforts of my young friends in this organization. But बेल साहब, आपने जो काम किया है उसकी प्रशंसा कितनी भी की जाए बहुत ही कम है. आप इसी तरह से काम करते रहे. आने वाले पीढ़ियों को हमारी गत पीढ़ियां कितनी एडवांस थी उसके बारे में जानकारी देते रहिए. उसी से स्फूर्ति लेते हुए मैं पूरा विश्वास रखता हूं आने वाला हम सबका जीवन और ज्यादा समृद्ध होगा. इस पर मुझे पूरा विश्वास है, क्योंकि हम आर्थिक स्तर पे तरक्की करते हैं, उसका जरूर लाभ होता है, लेकिन सिर्फ पैसा कमाने से इतिहास किसी को याद नहीं रखता. हम जब इस तरह के when we leave behind a footprint on the sands of history in this particular way, that is what will permanently remember. And therefore, that permanence now is guaranteed by your photography. And it is stored in the permanent memory of humanity, thanks to the effort of my these young friends from CEPI. So I think both of you need to be congratulated, must be commended immensely, and should be honored in befitting way. But one of the best way to honor it for me as of now is to pay my tributes to all of you for the great effort that you're doing. And I can assure you we'll work together and continue this endeavor of ensuring that past is not lost to future. The history will now be the guiding, motivated spirit for our futuristic endeavors. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you so